Hello and good afternoon. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Ken Stone. I am one of your customer success coaches here at Bright. And today I want to talk to you about some management options we have within listing management to help us manage our documents and our imagery or photography or videography that we have with our listings. As you can see now, I'm already currently in listing management, and I do have my listing available here in draft form. I can go in and simply edit my listing to get into the main program, or if I'm going to jump in directly to any documents or files, I can always choose on the More option. And I can see I can upload photos or documents, or even schedule an open house and even set up my lockbox for this location. Let's go into the actual main listing now, and I'll show you where we can find this information. Now, of course, easy can be, we can see along the left-hand side menu where all of our items are. So our photos, remarks, internet settings, and documents are available for us to easily go to and edit this listing. Now, in this case, if I decide to go into my documents, maybe I have a new document, say like say an inspection that has been recently done. I can go in and, of course, upload my documents and then select add a document on the right-hand side. Now, you need to choose whether or not this is going to be available for both agents and clients. So public facing or just simply agents. And then I can upload a floor plan for here. Now, I do want to point out one thing on branding within our documents, which also encompasses our imagery. If I pull up our policy on photos and documents, this is available directly under the Bright's rules page. So from policies, Bright MLS rules, and I can see we have our rules on images and documents in the MLS. This is this policy here. We do state that here under 2, we must obtain a copyright permission from the creator, which would encompass the photographer, videographer, or any other locale who may have ownership of this particular document. Other general requirements, and then requirements for specifics on images and documents. So images are, of course, I cannot have an identifiable person, real, animated, computer generated, or otherwise. Any readable text or graphics. So basically, this is saying that there is no way to include the broker's image or brokerage firm's information. So no advertisement within the actual images or documents that would be public facing. So if you do have a info document that provides information regarding a service that the house is under, you can do that. However, you will need to upload that as an agent-only document. It cannot be client-facing. So once we choose our actual document or for who it's going to, we do get that notice that states our ability to say, we have the copyright for this. So subscribers in the MLS may be sued if proper consent for use of documents and images is not obtained. By clicking here, you represent that you own or have obtained that written permission to use the document or image that you upload. By clicking accept, you can now upload that file, of course, from your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and even if you have your file, you can click on File and then just drag and drop in this section here. Maximum size, keep in mind, is 20 megabytes. And you can upload that file that way. Let's jump into our photos to where we can see how we can upload those photos in a similar manner, as well as manipulate our photos. So upon this listing, I went ahead and put up a quick photo that I took with my smartphone of the exterior of the house. So this way I can go ahead and activate this listing as long as there is a photo of the exterior from the street view available for the active listing when you go active. Now, in coming soon, we are still not requiring imagery, but say you want to upload a photo, you can manage more photos, add photos. We're given that notice one more time. There, I can actually click on my computer. And I can see I have found my actual file. In this case, for this particular property, River Point Drive, I can then, of course, choose all of my photos that I have here, knowing that I already have my main photo right there. Upload this photo. It'll upload those listing photos for me. And of course, now I can go in and edit each property or each photo of the property. Maybe I want to exclude portions over here. I can actually go to a 1-to-1 ratio. I can expand this out a little bit, or even do a 4-to-3 ratio. So I am highlighting just the house and cutting out more of the other photo, where I can actually go in and make a small edit to encompass just the property as I want to view it. I can add in saturation levels, contrast, and brightness, and just apply. Now, once I've manipulated the size, I can go in and do that brightness, adding contrast and saturation. And then I can save and exit. Now it'll upload that photo. Now I can also make this my default photo by just dragging it to the main spot. And oh, look, I have a duplicate. So now I can actually take and select the photo I want to select, and I can select delete, and I will verify, delete that photo, and it'll delete that photo and make sure that I am up to date. This is just one way we can update our photos in all of our listings along with our documents in listing management. I hope you found this small short class helpful, and I look forward to working with you soon. Have a great day.